Hello all. Welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate arithmetic operators in Java. So let's get started. In Java, we have five different arithmetic operators. First one is addition operator. Okay? Plus symbol. Using plus symbol, we can perform addition operation in Java. So plus is addition operator. Then we have subtraction operator. Subtraction. Then we have multiplication operator. Multiplication operator. Then we have division operator, that is forward slash. Division operator. And finally, we have modulus operator. With this percentile symbol, we have modulus operator. These are the different arithmetic operators we have in Java. So let me practically demonstrate how to use these arithmetic operators in Java programming. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have the sample Java program, and inside this class we have a main method from where actually the execution starts in Java, and inside this main method I'm going to write the print statements. System.out.println, system.out.println. Here I am going to say 9 plus 4. Okay, 9 plus 4. So here I am using which operator? Plus operator, that is addition operator. Okay, plus symbol, that is addition operator. So in the next statement, again one more print statement I'll write. Here I'll say 9 minus 4. So I am subtracting value 4 from the value 9. 9 minus 4. This minus is a subtraction operator. Okay. Then next statement, multiplication. Okay. Multiplication operator. 9 asterisk symbol. Okay. The symbol here is for multiplication in Java, we have to use asterisk symbol. 9 into 4. 9 for the. Okay. That's it. And the next print statement, I'm going to write 9 divided by 4. 9 forward slash 4. Here forward slash is the operator symbol for performing division operation in Java. And finally, system.out.println 9 modulus 4. 9 percentile 4. Here percentile will give you the remainder. Okay. After dividing this 9 with 4, whatever the remainder comes, this modulus operator will give as a result. Okay. So the last operator symbol is modulus operator symbol percentile. So after dividing the number by another number, whatever the remainder comes, that result remainder number will be given as a result by this modulus operator in Java. So let me run this code. Okay. When I run this code, you see 9 plus 4. 9 added with 4. How much? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 we got in the result. Next print statement, 9 minus 4. 4 is subtracted from 9. 9 minus 4, we get the result 5. Right? That's correct. And 9 multiplied by 4. 9 into 4, asterisk symbol here. 9 4 is a 36, which is also right. Then 9 divided by 4. How many times I can divide this number 9 with 4? 2 times. 4 2s are only 2 times we can properly divide. So 2 is the result here. Okay. Then 9 modulus 4. After dividing this 9 by 4, that is 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is remainder is 1. That 1 is coming here. So modulus operator will give the result as remainder. Okay. Remainder result will be given as a result of this modulus operator in Java. And I can also do one more thing is instead of directly giving the numbers here, okay, for performing the addition surrounded by this addition operator, that is plus symbol, I am giving two numbers 9 and 4. Here for subtraction also 9 minus 4. I am giving direct values here. Instead of that, we can also give like this. I can say I can create a variable. I can declare that variable with, for example, in data type, and into that first variable I am going to store 9. Okay. And I'm going to create another variable. I'm going to declare that variable with int primitive data type is equal to, I'll say 4. Like this. Into the variable A, I'm storing what? 9. Into the variable B, I'm storing 4. Now, instead of giving 9 and 4 here, I'll say A plus B. Here A minus B. Here A into B. Here A divided by B. Which is also similar. We'll get the same result. A modulus B. A plus B. What is there in A? In the variable A, what is there? 9 is there. In the variable B, what is there? 4 is there. 9 plus 4 is how much? 13 will be printed in the output. 9 minus 4, 5 will be printed. In A, we have 9, B, 4. 9 4 the 36. 9 divided by 4, 2. 2 times we can divide the 9 by 4. And 9 modulus 4, that is remainder is 1. So we should get the same result as earlier. Okay. Either we can directly add the numbers Okay, add the numbers using this arithmetic operators, or we can store this numbers or values into these separate variables, and we can use the variables with the operators. Okay, with the arithmetic operators. So with practical demonstration, I've explained about arithmetic operators in this session. Okay, arithmetic operators in Java I've explained in this session. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to cover unary operators. Even unary operators also will fall into the arithmetic operators in Java, guys, but I separated it. Okay, I wanted to explain this unary arithmetic operators in a detailed manner. So I am going to cover that unary arithmetic operators in the next session. Okay, so that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.